Raw and real with temperance, from the heart to the lips to the air. Catherine Ambereski here, guys. Humanity 101. Just a reminder, it's the character of giving, compassion, and empathetic behavior, serving mankind, family, friends, strangers, animals. It can be your biggest strength or your biggest downfall. Giving too much to others and not enough to yourself, not nurturing yourself, not loving yourself, can be the biggest disaster, because it becomes recognizable that if that love to humanity is not requited, pull back, turn it off, and turn it on for yourself. Self love, true, authentic self love. And then you truly know how to love others and recognize when it is a complete and perfect balance. It's okay to turn it off. Giving too much to others and not enough to yourself is such a big lesson in life, but worth learning. Okay? Stay tuned. We'll be talking about humility pretty soon. From the heart to the lips to the air. Guys, be good to yourselves. Peace out.